I have a new breakout on my nose here, and she's painful, like really. And then like if my glasses slide down and push up against it, it irritates it. So at some point I'm gonna switch out and just wear my contact lenses today. But yeah, so we're gonna start with skin. And as you all can see, I am still breaking out. There's nothing new. I'm a little dry right there. Ooh, my eyes are so brown. Ooh. In the morning. Along with my dull, irritated skin. But still, they're so pretty and brown. Ooh. Pharmacy Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Everything is breaking me out still, or not helping my skin, but this is what I was using as my daily cleanser prior to the breaking out. So I just continue to use it because I haven't found anything that works for my face. At least I know it feels clean. It's just still dull and broken out. So I'm going to use that, and I feel like I need to exfoliate today. So I am going to use my newest gadget, the Soniclear Elite by Michael Todd. This is basically another version of the Clarisonics. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it. Of course, I fell in love with it because of this pattern. I mean, you guys know my obsession for purple. So I'm like, how could I not love this thing? But as far as do I love it on my face, I haven't. Right now, I don't know. I'm still, again, using this. And also, like, I think I need a different brush head. I think this one's a little too rough for my skin. Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid Boost Eye Cream. It's a 360, which I love 360 eye creams. It just means that it can go all over your eye, including your eyelid. So I've been trying out this sample. So far, I do like it. I may go ahead and purchase the full size eventually. But I'm just going to apply this, do my moisturizer, and then I'm going to finish getting ready and get dressed. So I have to go and get lab work done. I'm going to be leaving in about 5-ish minutes. But I wanted to order some lunch. Unfortunately, I've just had good and bad days with the nausea. So like today is one of my not so good days. I've been throwing up this morning. Right now I feel like it's worn off. But it's just a point now, like I'm not even able to eat breakfast in the mornings. I'm getting ready to place an order online to get a bowl from Bolé. It's a restaurant here. I don't know if they're in other states, but I really like it, and I forgot like how much I actually like it. So I wanted to order a bowl to have for lunch, and I'll just kind of show you guys like ideally what the food looks like. It's just really, really good. So I'm on the website right now. They just make really healthy bowls like this. So what I love is that you don't have to get out of your car because of COVID. You can place the order online, and then when you're ready, you let them know you're outside, and they just bring it to you to your car. You don't have to go into the restaurant, so that's really nice. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home from getting my lab work done, and then I picked up my lunch from Bolé. This almost looks like a Chipotle bowl. It's been a while since I ate there, so I'm just looking, I'm like, this low-key looks like Chipotle. But it smells so good. I'm so excited to eat this. I hope I can keep it down without getting sick. There's a lot of new uploads on YouTube that I'm going to sit here and watch while I eat. So, yeah. I'm just going to show you guys my food. So yeah, I got the jasmine rice, Brussels sprouts, roasted Parmesan cheese, cilantro pesto, and the lemon chicken in my bowl. So let's eat this and enjoy. Because this is a struggle for me. I don't know about anybody else that has been pregnant or is pregnant right now, but one thing that really irks me is, depending on what it is, I will be so hungry, you guys, like starving, and I dive in and start eating my food and I can't finish it. I hate that. Making chicken parmesan for dinner, and this time I made my own breading for the chicken. Oh, it smells so good in there. Scotty, say hey. Alright guys, so real quick I just wanted to show you all what it looks like after I brown the chicken, put some more sauce on top, and then sprinkle on cheese. This is about to go in the oven. I'm going to put the lid on top that goes with this. This pan is designed by the lady that created the Temptations bakeware and cookware that they show on QVC. Alright guys, dinner was so good. I am so full. I didn't even get to finish my chicken parmesan. My husband cleaned his plate and had 2 bowls of salad. I am still trying to get my makeup routine video for my glasses. I'm trying to get that video still uploaded. YouTube's running slow today. It says I still have like an hour left on the video, so I was really hoping it would be up by now. It's already like after 7:30 at night, but better late than never, I guess. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for now. I have like a couple of appointments tomorrow. We have to take our dog to an appointment tomorrow, and then I have to still work on the final exam for my business statistics class. It's due this weekend, I think. Yeah, it's due this weekend, and I still need to figure out which exam I'm going to take because it's online, and he gave us like 3 different options. So I'm going to be reviewing and trying to work on that tomorrow and just try to get it done before the weekend so I'm not stressing out about it. And hopefully I get a good grade, and then I have 2 weeks to breathe, and then we start our summer classes for our grad program. So yeah, I'm just ready to graduate again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.